Are we live?
We
Are we
are
live?
live. Good morning,
We are
everybody.
live.
Everybody who's here. I'm not sure how many of you are here because I don't have the numbers pulled up on YouTube Studio, but good morning, everybody. Good morning, Fletcher. Good morning, Ben. Welcome back, boys. It's been a little while.
Yeah, it's been a minute.
It has a little break.
I
Yeah,
am here, but not big
How was your guys' Christmas, by the way? I don't think we've actually discussed how Christmas was for everybody. Morning, Ethan. Morning, Martin.
It was good, man. It's quiet for me.
I showed it earlier.
Yeah,
but I showed
mine
it
was
now.
quiet, but nice.
I got my little stand for my hole-in-one ball.
Oh god, he didn't take like 10 seconds before he brought it out. did
You
he?
know, yeah, it didn't take long at all.
Well, that's why I thought you asked.
It's all right. It's all right. We'll do this every 15 minutes in case new people arrive and haven't seen it.
Yeah, guys, Nimkins won't be on because he's got
Water damage.
water damage, electrical issues. I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, which
Water damage, electrical issues, all of it. I mean, it was a DJP prediction which caused it. It said you'll have no electrical faults. Next thing I knew, there was electrical smoke and fire.
Morning, Porch. Morning, Albu. That's funny. So what are you guys seeing in the markets today? I know Nimkins is probably only looking at YM, but
Understandable.
That's right. Once I find my print screen button, I can show you what I'm looking at. But till then, I'm gonna have to search for it.
Once I reassemble my keyboard.
Yeah, that's correct.
I'm gonna wait the first 5 minutes before even considering a trade, but big move off of whatever that was, jobs or something, right?
yeah, what was
I
it?
just
Non-farm
have-
payrolls that came out this morning.
yeah.
I just have a lot of volume between like 375 and 250, and we're trading below that, so my like immediate guess is down, but we'll see what happens at the open.
I like the downside, but I'm thinking the opposite. I'm thinking we pop on the open
Yeah.
and
See
then
that?
sell off.
So
But
you're
I could-
saying manipulation up
Oh, here we go.
and then down.
Oh yeah, we're still. I
Well,
just
I'm gonna
moved out to the
go.
daily. We're still in that giant range on the NQ from like 22,100 to 21K. I can't wait
Yeah.
to leave range, man. It's been so brutal.
Yeah, it has. I was looking at I don't know, I mentioned to you guys, but chat, I was looking at the Bitcoin charts this morning, which I never do, but it's looking like it could be a juicy short on Bitcoin.
Mm.
Oh, you think that
I'm
it's
sure.
what price is it at the moment?
94,830.
Oh wow, we're like significantly back below 100K.
Yes, and
Yeah,
holding below.
it dumped really fast after that pump.
Oh.
It went up to like, what was it, a new record, and then instantly like dropped to like 10%.
Yeah,
Probably waiting on Donny Boy to establish the strategic reserve.
I don't know what I like. I'm probably gonna sit and wait for a little
Yeah.
bit before we get in. I know Dave is up on the session, so he's gonna be
Yeah.
patient.
I'm up.
Put that in bunny ears. Patient. And
Bunny
then,
ears is right. Patient for me.
I'm on my personal, so I've already made $715. So unless I really like something,
You couldn't have made that sound more pompousy.
yeah, that's right.
I'm on my personal, so
Yeah.
I'm already up. Dave, don't lie. You know it was like a 340-yard par 4.
Yeah. It was just straight off to the right on a shank. That's right. I put a new key level in, guys. I don't know if you saw that.
Oh god.
My God, that 365 level was like the strongest magnet I've ever seen the other day.
Nims, I really need to work on this lighting. Like, you would not believe how much lighting I have in this room right now, and it still looks dark on camera. Now, I'm looking at OBS right now, and it looks dark.
Yeah, you're like almost in the shadows. I think it's because the background behind you is so dark too, and you're wearing
it looks that
clothes.
way.
It's really, but they're gray walls. It's a white 3D wall panel behind me. There's lights on.
What's that?
The windows are open. I have a key light. I have a fill light. Like, look at how bright this thing is, dude.
Yeah.
Like, it's bright, dude.
I
didn't realize you had that much lighting going on. Yeah, it looks like.
Dude, it is light.
Nosferatu there. What the hell?
Like, almost so bright in my eyes that.
That's crazy.
I don't know what.
Look, Wes, I know you had a bit of a bad run in December, and if you've had to move back into your mum's basement, it's no shame. Okay?
No, it's the same.
No shame
it's the
at
same.
all.
It's the same room.
Shame.
It's the same.
Yeah,
it's the exact same room.
Yeah, we believe you. We believe you. Yeah.
It's the exact same room.
All right, market's open. Let's see. And get Wes's manipulation. Gotta change over here. By the way, Wes, you are going to get the snow that we getting last night. Right
I'm
now.
so done with it, dude. Another 5 inches today? Like, come on, man.
Damn,
We only got a couple inches.
Yeah, Palm, how was the storm out on the East Coast last week?
I got like an inch and it's already gone. Like it's all melted. It melted in 2 days.
Wow.
Yeah, it's been cold here, but no snow. It's just been ridiculously windy.
I have no sympathy for your snow, Wesley, after no sympathy was shown towards my snow.
I have zero sympathy for your snow, Nims. That was flurries, brother.
All right. That is a national disaster in the UK.
Nims, I will send you a picture of how high the snow mounds are right now. I know Dave sent one, but ours is worse. Ours is worse than what Dave
All I'm
put
gonna say
on Discord.
is, Nims, that's your snow. If that was a snow, that snow was like, makes those skinny jeans look like bell-bottom jeans. That's all I'm going to say.
That was a shutdown. People were abandoning cars. It was a proper disaster. They were. All the cars were abandoned.
Ben, you're saying it's a focus issue? Well, while we're messing around here, I will pull up my camera options, my webcam options. Nims, look at the screen.
No. Oh, God. Okay.
And we can mess around with it. All right, so these are all my webcam options that you see. Well, it's going to take a minute, but
manual focus. You've not got autofocus on.
You want me to turn on autofocus?
To move around if you're going to move around slightly, then the manual focus is going to go in and out. So, I mean,
all right, that's autofocus. We have the exposure. I have it on auto.
I mean, you can try face. We can have a look to see what it looks like. I mean, it makes no difference. You're a little bit brighter, I guess. I think it looks a little bit better.
Little.
Yeah. I mean, manual focus is great if you're someone like DJP who's in a wooden chair and is unable to move. So you know you're always going to be at the same depth.
Right.
How about now?
Oh, it's much better.
Much better. Yeah.
I mean, I can go brighter, but it's going to be bright.
I think that looks good. I mean, maybe a notch down.
Is that wallpaper from Home Alone? What is that?
You could ask Wes's mum when she put it in.
Where?
Somebody who has wallpaper anymore?
I don't have wallpaper.
Oh, that almost. I don't know what that pattern is to your right there. I don't know what that is.
This?
Yeah.
Those are 3D wall panels, brother.
Oh, okay.
To add depth on the wall.
Oh.
I thought about all the things, guys. All right, like, don't sit here and come at me. Palm likes it, right, Palm?
Yeah, I think it looks good. I didn't realize how
Uh,
much light you had in the room, though. I thought you were intentionally keeping it dark.
No, bro. I have all kinds of light going on. There's a
no, it's just
massive.
the it's
massive
exposure.
key
It's
light.
looking a lot better now. It's looking a lot better now. Okay.
All right,
It
all
is.
right, all right, all right. We're done. Back to the
I mean,
charts.
It's looking
okay,
better.
okay.
I don't know if it's a lot better, but it is looking better. There's
I
no
mean,
question.
aside from the ugly mug that's in the camera, that the camera's on, does everything else look fine? Like lighting and everything
Yeah,
look okay?
yeah. You look good.
I've got a key light. I've got a fill light. The only thing I don't have is like an overhead, like, what do you call those? Hair light, I guess it would be. To like separate me more from the background. I don't know.
Yeah. No, it's fine. It's fine. I mean,
Alright, good.
what more do you want?
My day, we had one incandescent bulb and we liked it.
Ben, you're saying maybe even turn it to global instead of.
Ooh, that was the manipulation. Are we coming down now? Is anybody trading this? Because I'm not.
Nope.
Nothing for me yet.
Let's see here. Oop, that doesn't work. Turn it to global. That's really bright. That's extremely bright.
Isn't that what you wanted, though? I mean, I can see you now.
Oh, that's a lot better. I mean, it fades the back out a little bit.
Yeah, like
you
the
wash it.
panels are less obvious, but it looks like you're sitting in a lit room now.
Yeah, I
It's still like a
just
comfortable-
turn it down on the compensation.
Yeah, I agree with that.
There we go.
There. Looking better.
Like that?
Yeah.
All right.
A little bit higher.
Yeah,
a
we're back
little
to
bit too
dark.
far.
I'm also delayed because I'm watching the stream. I don't have Discord up, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm watching the stream as well.
All right. That looks fine to me for now, right? Now.
Yeah.
All right.
I like
This is a trading show. We're sitting here.
God. It's like,
Ain't much trading to be
it's
done,
like
Taylor.
stream makeover or something. What the hell?
So, is this a global thing or just in the UK? Are like surveyors just like arrogant assholes in America?
What?
I don't know.
Surveyors.
I
Like to
mean,
do your property, survey your property lines?
Yeah. So like,
No, I'm not. The ones I've used have been great. Really
Oh.
chill.
okay, yeah.
the ones over here are trying to make sure you have as much money as possible.
Yes.
Save you as much
Yeah.
money as possible.
Well, see, mine was a one from the building who came round who was trying to like blame damp damage on my banana plant.
Do you have a banana plant?
You have a
Yeah.
banana plant?
Does it grow
Yeah.
bananas?
No, I don't get bananas, but it's big.
Oh, so it's a fake banana plant.
It's not fake. We just don't have the weather for it.
This
No,
seems like-
I opened the door to him and he said to me, "Is the homeowner in?"
Yeah, because
God.
you look like you're about 17 years old, brother.
Oh my god, that's so good. It's the homeowner in.
Fuck up.
Overnight low is going off the table.
You think? Or 50 points
yeah.
away?
Oh, it's
Right.
coming down right now.
Alright. Bottom is in, guys. Bottom is in. DJ
Not
B
yet.
has called it.
Porch.
That's funny, Porch.
I don't think the bottom's in yet.
Well, you were calling what, 20,800?
You know, if it got frisky, I like that. 20,800.
Looks like that's where we're probably heading, at least down
Oh,
that
all
way.
the way back there on the NQ. Jesus.
Well, it did manipulate up. I mean, that was classic. Manipulated up and then it's coming down. Wes called it for the open. See what this next candle does.
I'm almost thinking about trying along here.
Oh,
I know.
Yeah, I was thinking
I
about
know. I know.
that's a gutsy move.
Delta's been struggling on the way down, but I don't see anything on the profile yet to like really tell me long.
If anyone's trading the YM, I'm watching 42,480 for a potential long, somewhere around there. I don't think anyone in here is trading the YM. We've got a younger crowd.
Giant fire just
Got
came
a
in.
younger crowd, he says.
That's so funny.
Let's see if
If
we
we
hold it.
retrade 97.5 on MNQ, I'll take the short. Just gotta retrade it first.
I don't know. I kind of like a little bit of a retrace here. They've been doing this whole like fake out thing a lot recently. Come on, just go to 21K quickly.
Took a quick short there.
He's been patient today. Is that the first
Yeah,
one?
yeah.
Or have there been others?
Yeah.
Have there been others?
100%. But that was a quick 10 points, so I was taking it.
Nice. I pulled my order.
Did you?
Yeah.
I had to give that. I didn't like it. I had to give that some room. I did not like that. I went short just as Wes was saying, you know, they've been pulling this retrace stuff. I was like, oh my God.
Yeah, they have been. Like, watch this.
Like, it's going to do it right now. Yeah.
Yeah.
God, I got lucky.
That's why I said
I'm
I like the
sitting on here.
longs. I mean, off of
Yeah.
80, that's 30 points.
Well,
It's
my
true.
Delta profile's cooked now because some giant buyer came in at 97.5, so there's this giant volume spike throwing off the scaling.
Was there any? What was the news? Was it good, bad?
Didn't even see what it was.
I didn't.
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't look at what it was.
Oh, here it comes.
Yeah, I need to look more. I didn't even know that the market was about to close the other day. I was in a trade.
He's lost all sense of time.
Yeah, it was like
know where
oh,
it
because I got my electricity back, and they were like, oh, perfect, just in time for market close. And I was like, what is everyone
Let's
talking
see.
about?
Non-farm payroll. Ooh.
No good.
Forecast is 165, and the actual was 256. That's what drove it down.
Less rate
What's
cuts
up?
getting priced in. Yeah. We got FOMC at the end of this month, right?
You know, I don't know. I'd have to look.
No
I want to
idea.
say we do. Morning, Khaled.
Hey, good morning, Khaled.
Oh, I'm short
Hello,
one
everybody.
micro from 03 3/4, looking at overnight lows.
Come on. Give it to him.
Give it to him.
Give it to him. Let's go.
No, the overnight low sweep looks like it makes sense. I mean, we're pretty close. And there's a ton of buyers here trying to trade above 100, and they're not really getting it.
Yeah.
Each time they try to trade above 100, they get slapped. No, they're trading above
Oh.
100. It's over.
Damn it. Damn it.
Yeah, it's on the 2-minute. It's looking pretty roundy up, but
Damn. I still think we bottom out more. But this 15-minute candle, I would like it to close a little further down. This is a horrible 1-hour candle if it closes right around here.
anybody talk to Kevin recently?
A few minutes for that.
I haven't seen him.
No, I
around.
have not.
Neither have I.
I thought I saw him earlier this week on the voice chat. I didn't jump in, but I thought I saw him there.
You still in, Palm?
Yeah, my stop was missed by 5 points.
Oh, nice.
Oh, you're back in profit now, aren't you?
Yes.
Good man.
Dave, calm down.
Sorry. Look at it.
No, I'm kidding. It's okay. It's fine.
I'm excited.
Dude, I needed to size down just because of drawdown, and
Yeah.
then I started going into replay and just using like a much wider stop, especially with the volatility and how bad it's been recently. Of like, I mean, we're getting like
Oh.
400-500 points of movement on average a day. So that I was
Yeah,
thinking
that's
about it, like
wild.
I'm using a 12-point stop. That doesn't. It's just not enough. So size down, widen the stop, and I'm just looking at a slightly larger target.
Nice. Good strat.
Dave cursed me. It's back in red.
Well, it had profit.
Yeah, I think this one actually rotates higher now. We tested the passive buyer at 80 and it just held it, so
Shit.
probably a wrap.
Damn.
Yeah, like if this fails to push below 100, oh, it's over.
Stopped out. Yeah, there's been a ton of buying off of the like 100 to 80 area, so I'm not opposed to a long down here either. I just thought the short made more sense first.
Just if we're gonna trade inside the weekly range that we've been trading in for a little while now, this would be the risk to reward is better on the long side. Like Albu's saying, the risk to reward is better on the long side here than it is on the short side. Short sides are you're playing breakouts.
Yeah. Oh well.
I don't know. I still like shorts, at least to overnight low.
Yeah, I like the target of overnight lows to sweep it.
Now, after that, I agree with Albie to longs, but maybe it's not. But I don't know.
Like you've got a bunch of bears all juiced up, probably targeting what Palm was targeting right now. It makes sense for them to flip it on them and explore some.
It's because they knew I was in, man. It's because
is that what yeah, they're out to
Isn't
get
that
you?
the truth?
What's up, Ollie?
It does feel personal, doesn't it?
No, I'm kidding.
I mean, Nims is still here. He's just really quiet right now.
He's in a trade.
No, I am trying to work out where my keys on my keyboard are actually meant to go. I'm still trying to put it back together.
All right.
Yeah. Overnight lows are coming in.
Just early, Palm.
You were just early, buddy.
Yeah, stop was off by
Not much, I bet.
9 points. Well, the idea was right.
No, deer was 100%.
All right, time to widen my stop to 50 points.
I mean, on a micro, that's $100. That's not too bad.
Yeah, it's
Yeah, but my max risk per account on this is 250
Okay.
per day.
And that gives you what, 3 cracks at it?
5. If I'm using a 25-point stop, 5.
Okay.
Now, what it does here is going to be interesting after it pops this.
It should flush. It should flush.
Could I
I'd
interest
be
you
interested
all
in
in the
replay.
YM?
Who knows? Maybe we'll actually get the breakout today. It is a Friday, so.
Let me look at the YM here. I have not looked at YM in a minute.
Going back to my daily.
I'm looking at the 480 level. I'm waiting for it to come down into it.
480? Yeah, my level's 420 to 460.
I think
there.
it runs. I don't think it stops here. I think it
Oh,
runs
good.
down
My
to
short's
21.
going to be a 400-point short.
Yeah, it's going to go down at least 20,000.
Oh, at 920?
985. 20,985. Wish I'd have got that short.
Yeah, that
But-
trade has been like the peak. I don't know what's the word. The epitome of like the last month for me.
Yeah.
Just
Top tick short,
yeah.
Just typical, right?
picked out,
Yeah.
and then we just puke. I mean, we're down 100 points from 120 where my exit was.
Yeah.
Um,
I liked that. You guys yell. You guys always say, "Oh, every time he says it goes the opposite." It's just early. Just like Palm.
yeah, I think the answer here is to just DCA to oblivion. If it goes against me, just keep adding. Gotta work it.
That always works out. I've never
Yeah,
had
it
any
always
issues
does.
with that. Yeah.
It always works.
It works at the roulette table too.
Oh, yeah, you're going to
Right.
martingale your way to
Until you get to
millionaire.
max limit.
Yep.
All right,
Interesting,
Wyatt,
Don't-
what are you going to do? Are you going to hold? Oh,
interesting spot right here. Let's see what this next thing does if we rotate up. I mean, if it really wanted that liquidity on that 985, but
I mean, we got some resting orders all the way down at 21,020, 21,010, 21,000.
I like 20,803 as the bottom if it really wants to rotate down, but I don't know. I don't know if it's going to do that. See what it does after if it grabs this liquidity at 985.
Ollie, another V bottom day. It's possible. It's been loving to do that.
well, I'm long on the YM.
Oh yeah, it barely wicked that 460 area.
Yeah, and it's worth a go.
Yeah, I don't like anything on NQ right here.
No,
Gonna have to
right
wait.
here. It's got to
for-
decide.
I'm short from 42 on the NQ or MNQ. Like right below overnight lows. I wouldn't be surprised if this rotates up into like 60-ish though. And I could be interested in a
disagree
short
with
from
that.
there too.
I'm almost leaning long right now.
Probably
Come
the
on,
right
Wyatt.
idea. I mean, I wouldn't blame you if you faded me.
Come on, YM, a little bit more.
See if this wants to flush one more time.
No, we don't need to do that anymore.
I agree with
Polishing
Russ.
is over.
Flushing is over. Come too far not to failure swing those daily lows.
Yeah, the only thing
Yeah,
that's
we'll
keeping me out of the
see
long
about
right
that.
now are these orders below, but it's
Come on, YM, let's go.
looking kind of pumpy.
Just missed my stop by like a point. Come back and grab it. I know you want to. Yeah, I like that target at 84s ish, like 984.
That's
where
where
my exit is.
you look on the daily. That's where about 3 or 4 wicks are sitting right around in there. 88.
Yeah, it's the range low on the MNQ.
Yeah. I mean, it just, and it goes all the way back to November.
Come on,
I
clean
mean,
all these
Dave,
orders
it's
out.
got to sweep it at some point, right?
No,
If it failure
no,
swings it,
we
we're going to the
No, I'm
moon.
kidding.
you don't need to sweep it. All right. None of this negativity while
We're,
I'm in my
we're
long.
talking about
No.
MNQ. You're safe on the YM.
No, I'm not. It's doing the same thing. It's looking like it wants to sweep everything down below.
Yeah, which probably means Nvidia's moving around.
Time to trade the Russell, boys. No NVIDIA on that one. Small caps only.
Here it comes. This is the melt.
It's so annoying though, because my delta profile is completely skewed now because of that one giant order up at 97.5 or like 21,100, whatever that is.
kinda
DJ
agree.
say
Like-
give him 980 so he can long
I
into
kind of agree
oblivion.
with him. I agree.
Yeah, honestly, I'm so okay with the long from 980. I just want to see it get traded first.
Yeah, I don't know if we get there.
Well, if we failure swing, it's going to be a moonshot too.
What does that mean, Dave?
So you've got these
Failure
on the dailies, right? You've got what we've talked about around 980-ish, these spikes down, these wicks
Yeah.
down here, going back to November. And if it doesn't take those, that's called a failure swing, and it's just going to move on up. Now it'll come back down
When you
days a
say
week.
doesn't take them, do you mean like we sweep through it and then come back up?
Right. Exactly.
Gotcha.
But if it doesn't and it gets close, but then it moves back up, that's a failure swing. Then that's a nice little train to get on too.
Cool.
It's too early to tell what it is just yet. I'd like to, if this hour candle, which is going to close in the next 5 minutes, closes here, I can see us dipping down, putting a wick there, and then moving back up on the hour.
Who wants to bet that before we take the 984 level, we're going to sweep 21,067.00 first?
Is that where your stop is?
Specifically that price, yes.
Specifically. Exactly that.
Yes,
Not
by
a
one
tick
tick.
more.
Yeah. You should
Yeah,
get
it
one more
stalls.
push here.
News in 5. Oh, what kind of news?
News that the
I
YM's
should
going to
know
go
this,
up.
but
Michigan sentiment.
okay, I'll kill it a minute before if we're not there yet.
Nimkins,
That's probably the move that takes us
Mason
through it,
Nimkins
honestly.
has to leave early, so he couldn't be on camera. Apparently, I don't know. He can tell you. He's here.
Electrical issues.
I mean, Nimkins. The
I
truth
can
is
go.
out
I can
there.
go into details if you want.
No,
but
let's just
now-
come clean. Nimkins is AI, and we just couldn't get the visual working today.
I'm
so
Jack.
That was the sound.
I am Jack.
Jesus.
You know what's funny? When I went onto the 4-person scene this morning, it still had the Jack nameplate on it. I had to delete it.
Wes, there's your little pump.
I know. I'm almost thinking about hitting it.
Ugh.
It's just there's still those orders resting below that I kind of want it to clean out all the way down
What
to
do they go
21K.
down to?
21K on the button.
Gotcha.
I'd love to see it wick into that 80s and then come back up. That would be nice. Bounce
I
in that
haven't
80s.
looked in the Good Gains
Easily.
chat in a while. Is Jack still even in there?
He pops in like once every, I don't know. I feel like I see him once every 2 days. Says something and then disappears for 2 days. I've had to block a few people recently. There's some
Wow.
room temp intelligence individuals that are talking a
Yeah.
lot.
I did that a long time ago.
Oh, does not suffer that very long either.
Yeah, it's just a waste. Like some people, respectfully, I don't mean this in like a malicious way. There's just some people that aren't worth talking to. I don't really know how else to say it.
Yeah.
So true. So true.
Because their only intention is to waste your time. So why am I going to let them do that?
So true.
Come on, come down.
No.
There's still buyers trying here, and they're still not getting paid, which tells me there's large passive selling that's soaking all of this, which I think means we go down, but we'll see.
Yeah.
I've been wrong before.
Me too.
But you've been right in direction.
Yeah, that's where my struggle recently is, though. I'm right on these directions, but stopped out. How wide a stop do I have to give this garbage before it actually plays out?
It's
That's been my
hard.
struggle the last month.
It is hard trading right now.
It is very hard trading. I was like, man, there's got to be something wrong with me, which there is, but that's beside the point. This is really hard right now.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's hard.
Brutal.
It's hard.
Can I interest you in the YM, people?
Honestly, yeah.
You are getting me closer to it. Telling you.
I mean, you're saying it's hard, but the YM's been so chill and easy.
What's the liquidity on the YM micros? Because I can't trade the minis. I just don't have the drawdown for that.
It's $5 a point. So
Yeah.
So 50
No, I
cents
mean,
a point.
how liquid are the YM micros? Am I going to
Liquid.
get a fill at the price I want, or is it going to gap me by 5 points?
Yeah. No, it's not. Would you? Come on, it's not as dead as people think it is. It's not as dead as the people who.
I don't
trade
know,
it.
man. Every time I check the volume, it looks pretty atrocious.
I think they might
I mean-
be leaving that behind.
it might.
DJ's asking you, Palm, if you're on personal.
No, these are 8 Apex fundeds.
Yeah,
So I'm down
you shouldn't have any
$800.
you shouldn't have any problem with your fills if it's on sim.
Yeah, that's a good point. Why will this not let me make one? Open.
You know, my wife kind of got to her wits' end. She goes, "Man, the baby's been crying for hours. Can you take over?" I said, "Sure." So I started crying for hours.
20,710 porch. Is there a guy waiting down there?
Whoa.
I don't really see a whole lot.
NYM 66K volume.
Thank you, Ollie. Help it. Oh, bam! Look at
There's
that.
news.
Yep. Come on,
Well,
lady.
glad I had a stop in.
Oh my
Alright.
god, I wasn't even joking, dude. They
No.
took my stop by
A tick.
2 points.
990 so far.
Holy.
What did the YM do there, Nims? Oh,
Dumped hit me, took me out for minus $200.
All right, here's the deal. There's a order block down here at 20,800. I don't know if it wants that. I think it might be satisfied here. It's got to go a little further.
200 block there at 90.
And it went further. Okay.
Oh, it hit it. Dude, I wasn't even joking when I said that. Why did it do it?
Abu says delete the buy button. Might be onto something.
I'm thinking
I'm giving it
about
one
buying
more
again.
shot. And if I'm wrong one more
Ugh.
time, I'm done for the day. This is
Well, this
atrocious.
is healthy. I'm so glad I'm sitting on hands.
I'm going to take a screenshot of my trades today and frame it.
Yeah, when you're just getting ticked out like that, that's demoralizing.
Yeah, it's
Psychologically.
just been like the last month has been exactly that. Where I'm
Yeah.
right on direction, but no matter how wide a stop I give it, it takes me out and then goes.
Yeah, the psychology there is just
Yeah.
like you're just done. You're toast.
Yeah.
I have a hard time recovering when that starts happening.
It's brutal. I was end up having that issue where my entries, you know, like what Matt will say is that red line out or what blue line algo or whatever he says. It was like my entries would just hover right on them. I was like, how can my entries be either this bad?
Yeah, it's like your entry access or rejection point.
Yeah, like,
yeah.
come on.
You
And it was
just never
every
see
time.
green. Yeah.
Yeah.
To
It
me,
would just hover.
that tells you have a good entry, though. If price is getting held, like let's say you're looking for a reversal, you get in, price is being held up where your entry is. To me, that means you have a good entry. Like
if you're
the
green,
area is
That's a good point.
valid.
That's a good
I know,
point.
yeah. I mean, green or like small red.
Yeah.
As long
I mean,
as
it was
price is holding up where you want it to hold up, then the entry's valid.
Yeah, that's what it was doing for me before I just lost $200.
Martin, I was actually thinking about that last night. What kind of ATR though? I was gonna add it to my 5-minute, but that seems a little large. Should it be 1 minute? But I'll throw it on the chart right now. I'll just adjust the time frame.
Just want to let you guys know, or at least for Wes, I think today I deserve a little redemption for not me saying where it's going to and then automatically go 100 points the other way.
Oh, okay.
Not yet.
All right.
Not yet. Yeah. You can think
Also,
that. You're
Martin.
not going to get it.
Martin, my options are ATR channel, ATR trailing stops, average true range, and Bollinger Bands ATR. Which one?
This is volatile.
Sorry to hijack.
Oh, this is great. I want to understand. I used to have ATR on and I took it off.
Yeah. I don't think I've ever actually put it on a chart, so this is new for me.
Hey, Phoenix, because I had it on the 5-minute. I didn't know if that was too much.
Start with the average.
Hey,
true
Phoenix.
range one,
Good morning.
see what happens.
It did help with stops with the range.
I
it
execute
did.
off of a 30 range chart, so each bar is going to be 30. I set it to a time frame, I guess. Let's find out.
Hey, have a good one, Phoenix.
Oh wow, we left like a legit gap behind on the 1 minute.
No,
Yeah, on the range chart. Yeah, that's right, on the range chart.
I'm thinking about hitting the long here. I know Albu just said delete it, but I want it a little bit below 40 though.
Yeah, dead ass savvy. That's because I want to know like a general sense of how volatile the market is. That's funny though. I mean, it's same story. Like we have more buyers stepping in below this low. Now I'm actually inclined to believe the long though.
Yeah, look at that. It didn't leave a wick. It just kind of opened and went up. I almost jumped on that long, but I'm too scared to. Yeah.
I know.
I'm long, but questioning my decision.
We ride together, Nima. I'm long 37.5. I don't really know what to look at. This gap that we just left behind, I guess. Pretty large gap to just dip out on the 1 minute off of news. Pretty aggressive.
Keep coming up.
It's just so volatile. I have a break-even stop in on mine. It's about to get hit.
You're long? Oh, sorry, I wasn't even looking. My bad. I was messing with ATR.
I'm out.
Yeah, look at that stupid thing. God dang. That's not a good sign. For longs.
What is?
It's moving around down here at its opening price like it is.
Oh, I thought you meant Wes getting break-even stop.
Oh yeah, no, that's not a good sign either.
Well, it wasn't quite break even. I'm up. I made $95 on that, I think.
There you go.
Nice.
You are up what I am down. Well, soon to be down more.
I am
All
up
right,
5.
that's 0 for 3 on me. I'm done for the session.
Yeah.
Time to go like sell bricks or something. I don't know.
Yeah. I got
Selling
break-even.
bricks.
Yeah, word to Jake Bates.
Well, it's hard to short the hole as well. So
Yeah,
that's where the problem is lying right now. Is like how do you hop on when you're 400 points down on the session?
I had 2 great shorts and they both stopped out.
Yeah, that's tough. That makes you question a lot of stuff. Bless you.
Oh, is that to me? That was a cough. But
Oh, I thought it was a sneeze. Yeah. Wes should be happy
All
to
right,
know it
so
stopped snowing here.
down 150 per account, down 1,200 total.
It just started here, Dave. Just started here.
Getting a little slurry.
Yeah, we had a couple inches overnight.
Nims, we're expecting another 5 inches here.
It's nothing. It's not like what I had.
Oh, what? I saw your picture of your inch of snow.
Yeah.
I'm going to do my skinny jeans analogy if you make me keep this up.
Yeah, that picture was absurd.
I forgot that it's probably just an English one.
Okay. This is right in the middle of a breaker block. Right here. Let's see what it does.
Is today going to be one of those 700-800 point days down?
Looking like it.
Potentially. I don't know. I think it will. They seem to keep buying like the dips.
Yeah.
But maybe not today after those horrific
If
figures.
it can get, 800 is my line in the sand. See if it gets down there. 801. That's 100 points down.
I mean, it's just blasting through all my support levels. I can tell you that.
The ATR on the 30-second chart, I don't really know how to read ATR at all, honestly.
Yeah, I've
No
never
use
looked.
on
I've
a
never
range
looked
chart.
into it really.
Yeah, I don't know how to use this. The ATR is on my first trade. ATR when I got in was 25 points, conveniently exactly how wide my stop is. The second trade when I got in was 26 points, also pretty close to my stop. Yeah, I don't really know how to read this. We're 200 points down from my first short.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, that's. Hey, you've been all shorts and one long today.
Yeah, both shorts would have
Yeah.
paid if they didn't get stopped out by like legit 2 points each time. I'll send the screenshot in Discord. This is disgusting.
Brutal. That's brutal.
All right, we're finally seeing a little bit of buying going on, but I don't. It's gonna be hard to do anything right here. Like we're down 400 points, 400 plus points on the session.
Wait, what price are we at the NQ?
Below 20,900.
Ooh, is my prediction going to come in play? Remember when I called
It's a prediction.
20,150?
What, 2 months ago?
That's right. That's right.
Can't believe that. You just threw random numbers. Oh, there's Kevin. He posted in there. Nice job, Kevin. Posted in the Discord.
Yeah, Kev's been having some decent days recently.
Yeah.
Mims is never wrong. Just early.
I know.
That's the true savvy.
Thank you. Wait till you all better hope we don't go to that 20,150 level. As I will tell you, I told you so. I predicted this.
Honestly, if we do, I'm buying a plane ticket to the UK.
What, really?
Hold them to
Yeah.
it.
Because I just want to go and throw a snowball at Nims.
That's pretty. You're gonna have to bring it with you, man. That heavy snowfall only lasted an evening.
Yeah, it's definitely snowing here.
You're good. Yeah, I can see it on the weather map. You're gonna get crushed.
Yeah,
Well,
we've been right in that bullseye for all these winter storms, dude.
You're right. You're near Louisville. Is that where you're near?
Yep.
Louisville. Yeah.
My address is a Louisville address. I don't actually live in the city, but
Sure.
it's a Louisville address.
You live next to Jack Harlow?
Jack Harlow, I'm sure, doesn't live here anymore.
I'm sure he's got a house there.
Who else is from
I
here?
mean, he's probably like,
Muhammad,
in LA.
Muhammad Ali's from here.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
That's right.
Nicole Scherzinger, or whatever her name is, the singer. She's from
Oh
here.
yeah. From,
Yeah, that's a non-celebrity.
Who else is from here?
I mean, isn't she only famous for dating Lewis Hamilton?
Oh,
I
what
don't
she in
know.
Pussycat Dolls or
yeah,
something?
she was in the Pussycat Dolls.
Again, you've confirmed my theory.
I had two teenage boys at that time. Trust me.
They like the Pussycat Dolls.
Well, they like certain aspects of the Pussycat Dolls. Sure, they were into the music. This is interesting. This is
I'm
all right.
slowly getting my keyboard back together.
You're still piecing it back together.
Yeah. I'm doing the easy ones first, like the F keys and the numbers.
Yeah, looks like it.
Dave, the snow walls are so bad here that when the garbage truck comes by to pick up dumpsters, if you don't have it mounted on top of the snow walls, they aren't picking it up.
Yeah, Yeah, makes sense. But
The postal service, like the snowbound, Dave, is up to the bottom of my actual mailbox container.
Wow. Wow. Yeah, we're not quite that bad. Wow. I mean, we got a foot that first storm. We definitely got a foot out of it.
Yeah, I'm the same. I'm like 4 feet now of snow.
Oh yeah.
So yeah.
4 feet of snow. Are we on a relative scale here, or is it
Yeah, potentially 5 feet. I mean, I'm trying to underestimate it.
All right, Dave. I'm
starting
starting.
to like long.
Yeah, me too. If we can get back above 920, hold
Yep.
above 920, I'm probably gonna try it.
Kind of like it. Let's see what it does here with this candle opening. Oh, I almost went in. Kind of. Might be happy I didn't. Kind of like longs now.
I know.
Yep. Now I just got to look for an entry. And it
Come on
ain't
back
right now.
down a little bit. Come on back down a little bit. Tell you what, I'll be the guinea pig.
I tell you, I wish I had your guts right now. I kind of like it. When it goes, it's gonna go. Oh, doggone it!
Yeah, I just didn't want.
No, I'd have a little.
I
more.
need to see more like buyers
Yeah.
for me to believe it at this stage.
I thought it'd have a little more juice. There it goes. They're getting some. Oh, I like your entry. I love your entry. If it was me, I'd go break even. Why? Where'd you get in? I thought you got in around 10 or so.
17.
Oh, okay. Never mind.
When I get the end,
I tried to move my stop in to break even. It didn't let me. Maybe it's a good thing though. Let's see. Can we get the push through here?
You're gonna get some run.
I'm not comfortable in this. I'm probably gonna need to kill it. It's gonna look a little heavy again.
Oh, look at that. Yeah.
when I get the N and V key on, I can look up what the NVIDIA is doing.
Oh, what a bummer. Okay, there's just nothing. There's no life to it.
No follow through.
Ooh, that was our chance. I don't know how much I like it now.
All right, there we go.
There it goes.
Let me get my stop in. I don't want to mess around too much because if it's going to accelerate, it needs to accelerate right now.
Yep. This could be a good one, Wes. Come on. Come on.
I'm out.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that little drop down, didn't like it. Would you take 10 points?
Like 8.
Okay.
I'm up 260 on the session now.
That's better than not being. I mean, that was good.
Just don't have the cojones to hold right now with all the volatility.
Yeah, look at that come back down to you.
Yep. Could have got 940 out of it, which probably should have been
Yeah, it
my
was a
target.
good stab.
But
It was a good stab.
I'm all right with being positive right now. That's know.
Wait, is Palm still here? He's gone very quiet.
He is not in his seat.
Ah, okay. Is he by the open window?
Oh, look at that. I don't know, though. I don't know if this... Let's see if it's got any life.
I'm hoping it's got some life.
Are you long again?
Yeah.
Oh, boy.
What?
Let me look at YM here.
Well, I'm up 548 on it today, so I'm good with where I'm going on.
YM looks like you... Let's see
Oof.
here. I would probably target, what, 42, 416? Somewhere around there, 420?
Yeah, I'm targeting 400.
Okay.
I'm long at 240.
Okay.
This next
Is that
candle-
acceptable, Wes?
Yep.
Yeah,
like it.
looks like a good trade.
I like
Yeah, it's looking good now.
Yeah, my long was looking good as well. I should have held.
Look at that puppy, huh?
I need to stop fiddling around with my stops and just leave them.
I'd like to see this next 5-minute candle come down and be a little red, and then go, and then we
Dave.
go up.
Dave. Okay, let's.
I'm looking for an entry.
No. You can wait. Just wait a little bit. All right. Because as soon as you said that, it's only gone down.
Oh, I thought you thought I thought you wanted me to say it, so it would be the opposite.
Yeah.
The market knew you were looking at longs. All right.
Well, see, I've wrote that. See, this will go up a little bit, then come down. Nope, maybe not.
I'm a bit concerned because we should have got like a stronger recovery than what we've had.
The NQ's just got to break these wick tops here that it put in on the 5-minute, and you should be good. It should be relatively quick. So above 960, 970, we'll say.
Right. This has been a pain in the ass taking my keyboard apart, but it's looking really clean.
There's a pop. There you go.
I mean, how dirty is your keyboard, Nims? What are you doing?
Exactly.
Eating like?
It just gets grubby over time. It's like just taking out and because I've got a cat and things as well. Like cat hair just gets everywhere, like through the air and things into stuff.
You know what I invested in for that? Not like cat hair. I don't have a cat, but let me go grab it here quick. I'll be right back.
Tell me when to flick over because I'm just looking at my keyboard currently.
Yeah, he's not back yet. Oh, wish I'd have got that in on that long one. I wanted to.
Well, don't get in on it now.
Well, I can't. It's not going to give me the entry I want. And I am not chasing.
I think you'll get
Refuse to chase. All right, he's getting back in now, Nims.
All right, Nims.
All right, I'm gonna
this little device here that you see, right?
Wait, I can't see. Oh, because I'm at the beginning of the stream. Give me a second. Let me see.
Oh, jeez.
God.
What is that? Show it from another angle because I can't see shit.
This is a vacuum.
Oh, which goes in between keys.
And a blower.
That's pretty cool.
Yes.
Okay. And you're proud of it.
I'm very proud of it. It's a pretty sweet little device.
I mean, I mean, it was the same face DJP was putting when he was holding up his hole-in-one.
It wasn't the same face? But no, these little handy-dandy vacuum cleaners are...
I didn't even clean the ball.
They come in
I just left it
clutch.
dirty.
Well, I've taken my entire keyboard off. I cleaned it with a toothbrush, cotton buds, took all the keys, bathed them in soapy water, dried them and cleaned them individually, and now I'm putting them back on.
Your long's looking pretty good right now.
Banger of a trade, Wes.
Would have been.
Yeah.
What happened?
I still need these wicks to come up. Okay. Palmetto is down from the window ledge. It's good to have you back.
I went to get food.
Well, should have taken that long at 9:05. Didn't trust myself.
Yeah, I probably should have held, but it was whipping around there a little bit too much for my liking.
I just didn't trust myself to jump in.
And everyone in a long position is grateful. So we thank you.
Well, I think this next 5-minute candle, I'd like, again, it to come down so I can get an entry. Close red so I can get in on the next one.
Well, I'm green currently, so let's change the lighting here. I need to hook this up to the Stream Deck as well, so it's easier for me to change it, but let's go a little green.
Now look at this, just climb.
Come on.
Oh, Wes, you had an 80-pointer there.
Yeah. I'm all
Hey.
right. I'm happy with my
Oh yeah, no. And what it was doing at the time? How much do we retrade?
I'm having issues. How do you know if it's the N or the Z key?
what?
Well, the Z key is all the way by the shift key.
Yeah, but once you've taken them out, they could all be any key depending on which way you hold them.
Well, the one that the
Oh.
one when you turn it to face like an N and that is whiter, that is your Z. Your Z
That's
or
correct.
Z.
There you go.
What is whiter?
It
Yeah,
wider.
Wider.
Oh, okay. Good to know.
Call the surveyor.
I know. Yeah, that was a good call on the long. I should have held. That would have been my
Great
day done.
call.
I wouldn't have to sit here anymore.
That was a great call on the wall. I still like longs. Still think there's an entry.
Anybody in the chat catch that one and hang on to it? Chat kind of died on us, didn't it?
It did.
It was doing so well.
Oh,
It was because Palm was talking about ATR, so we got some ATR responses.
I could try it again.
Nice. All right, thank
No,
you.
I see.
Yeah, we could talk about football.
I mean, we
Excited for
we
this
could.
hey,
I mean,
We could, but
It's just like we could, but I don't care.
I've got a week off. I got a week off from football, pretty much.
how crazy was that? That the winner gets a week off and the loser is a 5th seed. That was crazy.
You'll never see that.
Yeah,
again.
it was a wild game.
You'll never see that again. I mean, come on. 2 14-win teams going head-to-head in the season finale for the 1 seed or the 5.
Amazing.
Martin, no trades. You're just watching us?
I tell you what,
Martin's
if
a
this thing
smart man.
closes, he is a smart man. Close this 15. Just oh yeah, I gotta look for angry.
come on, YM. Let's go to 400.
Where is the one?
I'm currently breaking up with the NQ. I'm making my ES charts again.
Oh, yeah?
I'm gonna permanently delete it and never look back. I don't care if ES trades in a 2-point range. I'll size up to oblivion if I need to make money on 2 points.
Nice, Martin.
I am never trading NQ again. I'm so disgusted.
It makes you
So
question
disgusted.
everything the NQ lately.
It's
I'm just disgusted. I have no other way to say it.
it does trade like a meme stock.
God, it just makes you. It makes it feel like it's personal at times.
That is why I'm with my beloved YM.
But you seem more relaxed than you are too. I will say that.
I mean, I've been in this trade ages. I mean, it's just, it's you're never panicking in the YM.
Yeah, Martin gets it.
Yeah. I traded in Q pre-market when it was a little quieter. That's when where I made my money. So almost anymore trading the first hour, you're asking for it in the NQ.
Look at ES here. I mean,
ES
ES
had
looks...
a really nice sweep of 58-55. Buyers stepped in very nicely. We rotated off of it. What an index. What an incredible index.
It does predictable things, or at least it does non-psychotic things.
All right.
Ooh, coming up to overnight low. What a pump.
Yeah, how do you like my 100-point entry now?
Loved it when you did it.
Too bad I got 8.
Dan Campbell would have been holding that trade.
Dan
He'd have added on the way up.
Dan Campbell's got the pocket, but whoops. Sorry guys, I didn't mean to. See, that's what happens when I press Discord.
What happened?
Well, it moves your cameras all around.
Oh. You're fired.
Yep. Yeah, I gotta ask Mason if he's done anything else on vMix.
Oh yeah, we were promised that for the new year.
Yeah,
Employees,
asking
we
for sharing the
were
camera.
promised an upgrade, which never came.
We got a lump of Santa just gave us a lump of coal.
I'll be honest with you. Like Mason and I haven't spoken a whole lot over the last month.
Do you remember, Palmer Dave? Do you remember he was going, "Yeah, new year, gonna get you upgraded. We'll get all your charts in on VMix."
Oh yeah, I remember.
New year comes. Look at the CEO. Oh, just bought this new tracking camera. Got these new lights for my room.
Yeah, new lights. Hey, you know that
In my
story,
defense,
guys,
in my
let me play with
defense,
the lights.
I
He's gonna
didn't
defend himself.
I didn't purchase the new webcam or the Stream Deck. They were Christmas gifts.
Oh,
Wow.
Little boy at Christmas, little 12-year-old telling his mum he wants to get into streaming.
They were Christmas presents to himself. I get
No,
it.
I gave a list and said these are the things I would like if you'd like to get me something.
Woke up Christmas Day, his mum had set up the basement for him. with all
They
this
came
new
from
camera equipment.
Santa, bro. Get it right.
Yeah, bro.
Bro,
What do you think this is, dog? I'm sorry, Wes.
Oh, you're fine.
what do you think?
I stand in the line of fire quite a bit on this channel.
22? 4 times 5 is 20, yeah. Nice.
Boy,
Dude, this thing's gonna keep running too. This could be like
know.
a 200 to 300 point banger.
well,
Come on,
could have
come
been.
on. A little bit higher.
Could have been a contender.
Look at that the hourly candle on the ES right now.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I did it. My
You did
ES
all I-
chart is now set up.
Ollie, you called it. It just happened to dump another 100+ points when you called it.
I gotta edit this. What does that look like? That's fine.
I got strict criteria on when somebody calls something there, don't you think, Wes?
I mean, when the move blows an account after you call it, then, yeah, you kind of.
It's an issue. What a pullback.
I know. I don't. The problem is
I like this right here. I like what this 5 minutes doing. I would want it to close red. Really, it's got to close above 053 to really be ready to really jump long. It just might happen. Even at Christmas.
I mean, overnight highs here at 45, back above overnight highs. Oh no, DJ, you didn't get filled by a tick? Oh no.
Come on, man.
Sucker looks beautiful right now.
We're just dropping all sorts of the swear words today, aren't we?
Hashtag let's not get Mason paid.
Oh my goodness gracious.
Full retrace of news.
I love it.
Please.
Yeah, you would have
How
a
many-
banger day on your hands there, Nims.
What? I'm still in it. I'm still in the long.
I know.
Where
That,
did you-
if
how
you
lo-
get a
how
full
many,
retrace of news, you'd have a banger
Oh
day.
yeah.
How many points are you up?
What currently?
Yeah.
Like 100.
Oh my goodness. Great trade.
But that's 100 on the YM.
Sure, no, I get it, but it's still $5 a point, so
Yeah.
great trade. Nothing wrong with that.
I need a little. I want a little bit more because I lost some money. So if I could have 1,000 a day.
Here comes the greed. Here comes the greed. Telling you, it gets me every time.
It could chop here a little bit.
Yeah, I did not like that close.
I mean, I like my entry. There's no point not chilling on this. Is there, Wes?
Let me look real quick. No, I still like it back up into 400.
With nights loads, yeah. I mean, 400 is what I'm targeting. 413. I moved it a little bit after we got that pump, but
Not a fan of that close. Not touching this. Considered it. And luckily-
Dude, the bottom on the ES was so clean.
Yeah.
We had such an obvious passive buyer there, and then aggressive buyers stepped up, and we got a delta divergence at a prior swing low. Unbelievable.
Unbelievable.
you'll be back to the NQ.
No, I'm serious. Don't. If you see me
Nah.
trading the NQ, report me to the IRS. Tell them I owe them taxes.
I believe
Yeah.
it.
Tell them to audit me.
I'm sure we've all got that friend who keeps saying that he's going to break up with his girlfriend, and then like the next day they're back together. And
Oh
you just
yeah,
have to-
that's like
you have to
literally my
just sit
friend
there,
right now.
yeah. You have to just sit there listening to him like bitching about, like, nah, this is the end of it. Yeah, this
That
is
was
you,
literally
Bob.
me last
That's,
night at dinner.
that's
That's
you
so funny that you
today.
bring that up. That's hilarious. No, I'm serious though. I'm not trading the NQ.
I'm sure he was serious as well to you last night.
God damn it. Fine, I understand. I'll just have to prove it. Fine.
Oh,
Yeah, I missed it too, Dave.
oh,
I had my finger over the buy button down there in the 20s and didn't hit it.
so did I. Same. Exact same. Exact same. I didn't touch it.
Look at
All
these
right,
guys
guys.
trading the NQ. Nima, we could never, right? I would never. Never heard of her.
I never heard it.
Yeah. Guys, do you want some really good news?
What's up?
My keyboard is back together.
Hey.
You
Have
know,
you tested
Wes,
it to make sure you put it back together correctly?
a little retest
Press some
of
keys.
overnight lows would be nice here.
I
Break and retest.
almost don't like the retest of overnight. I'd rather see it go tap VWAP up there at 120 first.
Ouch. Be that way, because I think it might. Oh, I was hovering over that buy button.
You're always hovering, Dave.
This is true. This is true. Boy, oh boy.
The cursor rests on the buy or the sell.
Oh, that would have been healthy.
Imagine if we got Neuralink for trading, Dave would be unstoppable.
That's true.
Honestly, if we could just
Whoever-
get him a stream deck and program the buy sell, it would just be two buttons. Just
If I would invest in whoever gets the commissions.
All right, let's try out the new keyboard.
Yeah, this can hold above 53.
ES trying to still fill that gap it left from the news.
Look at that hourly candle on the ES. Holy, no body, all wick.
Same thing on the NQ right now.
Come on, boys.
Gold above 53. Oh, I'm not too sad, but boy, what an opportunity that was.
Yeah.
Well, I like 2197, 197 now.
As much as I want to take the ES short somewhere around here, I'm not going to, just because I told myself I'm done. Was wrong 3 times, so 3 strikes,
That's a
you're
good
out.
point. I like that discipline.
But the short from 91.5 looking pretty nice if we get there.
Let's come down.
If we get there, though, it's kind of stalling out in front of it.
Yeah.
Give a little retest here.
So when there's snow, do you still get pest control?
I knew this would come up. I knew this would come up.
No, I'm just asking.
Yes, it's quarterly. They come
It's a
every 3
quarterly
months.
thing. Yes.
Okay.
Doesn't matter weather
Quarterly.
conditions.
Are you at more risk because the animals move into your house in the snow, or is it like the warmer weather?
It all depends. I mean, if it rains a lot during warmer weather, they'll move in too.
Yeah, I mean, because Wes, when I first asked, he said that deer was a pest. So I'm assuming deer.
I
would
never
want the
said
warmer-
deer was a pest. I
I
said
asked
that,
what
that we
animals-
have deer around my house. I never said they were a pest.
In the topic of pests, you brought up deer. Okay.
Oh my
No,
God.
I was explaining what is around my house because my house backs up to woods.
You go in the basement. There's just a family of deer in there, and you call the guy.
You open the basement door, and yes, generally you will find deer out there.
Out on the yonder.
And inside.
Not inside.
DJ.
What about raccoons? Do you have raccoons?
Yep.
Okay.
I had a buddy that had a pet raccoon actually.
They seem pretty cute.
Yeah, I mean, they get in they get into a bunch of stuff, but yeah.
Squirrels? You got squirrels?
Yes.
Well, I got squirrels left around home, but-
What kind of
Here we
squirrels?
go. Are you
I'm just
gonna-
asking. I'm asking. I'm interested in
Red-
what animals. We don't have raccoons.
red and gray squirrels?
Oh, you've got both. Okay. Red's got ran out by the
Ben,
Greys, yeah.
don't defend him. Don't defend
Yeah,
Ben.
thank you, Ben.
Don't defend that guy.
Thank you. Thank you.
That's pretty
Exactly. That's what I'm saying, Ben. It was confusing at the time. You listed the main reason that you have pest control subscriptions because you lived near the woods and you had deer.
That was not what was said. That was not
Yeah.
what was said, and there is evidence on YouTube of this.
I'm going to bring it up.
Go ahead.
Yeah. I will
All
bring
the
up the
videos are still
transcripts,
live. Yeah, go ahead.
We'll bring in Anon for the court of law.
I talked to Anon like last week.
Oh, how's he doing?
Hey, he's doing
Doing
great.
good. I bet he is.
He's doing
Ooh.
great. Every time I talk to him, he brings up the same thing. He says, so are the rules and regulations changed on Discord yet?
Man, that guy is a stuck record on that. That's funny.
Wait, I missed the T. What happened?
The reason why
Can we
Anon's
talk about
not in Level Up Discord?
Well, I don't know. What's this whole rules and regulations thing?
It's just he wants a cult in our Discord. He wants a box cult.
Oh. That was a thing for a little bit, no?
It
I
wasn't
remember
seeking
seeing the
Kappa.
role. Oh, I see.
Also, can we explain Carter Day?
It's not harsh.
Explain what?
The closing of the market because of Carter?
Yeah, I don't understand that.
Yeah.
Saw the
You
best
mocked me.
meme ever,
You
though.
mocked me for asking for JFK Day.
Yeah,
And
I don't understand what the
Was he well
The
liked?
best meme about that was, oh, seems fitting, shutting down the economy.
Yeah, I
I
thought he
mean-
wasn't liked.
No,
To me-
Carter's pretty well liked.
Was he?
Yeah.
Not,
Well, maybe not in the moment, but I mean,
Yeah,
as
not
far
in
as
the
I
moment.
know, like everyone I've asked or talked to is pretty like good. I don't know, a good remembrance of him.
yeah, not in the moment, but afterwards, yeah.
He aged like wine.
Okay. Because he was like DJP's like 14th president that you voted for.
That's right.
14th.
Dave was at the theater with Lincoln when it happened.
Right.
He said it was a good show. He said it was a good show.
We go. Do we stall here? Do we go up or down? Come on.
I mean, I'd kind of like to see it test mid-30s first.
I'm getting into it.
Yeah,
I'm
Harsh
starting
bullied him.
to- I do remember my parents talking about going to vote in that election between Ford and Carter. And that's like, to my mom, who'd you vote for? Well, I voted for Carter. And he's like, I voted for. We should have just stayed home. What the hell? It's like, that's not how that works.
Well, the overnight low bounce was good so far.
Didn't get it on the YM. That's what I was looking for.
We're
was a good
below
little
the
bounce
overnight
there.
lows on the E ES.
I think we chop here a little bit, though, don't you?
Yeah, I mean,
Is it, yeah, I don't know. I don't know, man. Oh, I was just about ready to. Gosh, dang. I hate chasing this. This is what's ruined me in the past, and I'm just not going to do it.
Smart. Learn from your mistakes
Ugh,
and all that.
and all that.
was a good buy.
I mean, honestly, I like it. I like 197, man.
I like you guys in the NQ, and this is a good buy and everything like that. And we've like barely moved on the YM since all of this talk. When you're going, it's
I-
8 points up.
NQ, I mean, wow,
Off of
really?
overnight lows, you're up 30 points
Wow.
on NQ.
30 points. Yeah.
Couldn't be me.
So
it
who's
comes back
dragging
down.
everyone down?
Wait, what?
Microsoft's having a terrible day. Amazon is. Texas Roadhouse isn't looking good.
Texas Roadhouse.
There's
Yeah.
Oh, there it goes. There it goes.
The real pillar of the economy,
There's
Texas
a 50
Roadhouse.
point pump off overnight lows.
Oh, gosh, that's so disappointing.
Dave, are you okay today?
I'm not. My problem is I'm up decent that I'm like not going to play games. So, but boy,
That's good. That's good. That's smart.
It seems like your gun's misfiring.
I'm not going to be
Every
goaded
time-
into it right now.
What do you mean by that?
Every time he goes to pull the trigger, there's like a jam and like nothing happens.
Interesting. We hit that area I was thinking about. Again, I'm not taking it, but hypothetically, let's say mentally, I'm short ES from 5889.50. Looking for God knows what, zero? I don't know.
Yeah, motivation. I like the longs.
Realistically, we'd be looking for like 5879 half, so 10 points. See if mentally it plays out.
Honestly, Wes, it came down and retested exactly what we wanted.
Yep.
Why I didn't jump in? Just an idiot. Man.
The NQ has us very gun shy, so to speak.
Because over the last few days, it did nothing like it should have done. When you see that, oh boy, that was perfect to the tick.
Come on back down to like 70 to 80, and I will probably try it.
Gosh, God, I love that. Now it's behaving.
Kinda. Kinda.
That was a 80-point banger. Now on to the next. think you could behave a little bit.
That's a big ask.
It is a big ask. But it hit the levels I was talking about today. I mean, expect it down low, reverse where we thought it would.
Come on back down. Here's your 91 on ES again.
Yeah, I have it like marked out on my chart as to where my stop and my TP are, so trade is still live mentally.
Nice job.
My entry would have been from 89.5.
Okay.
Short looking for 79.5, I think, right? Yeah. And stop at 94.5.
Come on back down. Come on back down. A little bit lower.
There's 80. Down.
In the 70s.
Oh, don't barcode now. Well, actually, do barcode now. Come back down all the way, and I'll jump in after the next open.
Yeah, we've had a ton of movement. Makes sense to put some sideways in.
Yeah, I would love a barcode in this range. 50.
Oh my god, they're trying.
50 to
They want it.
100. That's a great barcode range.
Do it. Give me the mental fill.
Alright, I'm trying along. Probably stupid.
Ooh,
On ES or
early.
NQ?
A little bit early.
Thank you.
Well, ES got pretty close to filling out my mental exit.
Ooh, this is a... I gotta get out of this thing.
Yeah, get out of it, because I mean it'll stop right in here, but I'd get out of it. Yeah.
Oh, I should have got out on that little pop there. Yeah,
Wes,
stopped
can I
out.
interest you in the Delta profile?
Delta profile?
Yeah.
Is it a subscription?
Yes, yes, it is. All right, so ES trade would have filled out. Oh my god!
Oh boy.
I
That
am
would be
now
something.
down $180 on the session after that big loss.
Wow.
The boys are in shambles.
All right, one
David
second.
and him are still up though, right?
Ah,
I'm up 548.
Nims is up.
Oh wow. Yeah, they're both up nice. Alright, GG boys. Good stuff. That's what we want to see.
Yeah, I'm just being way too picky. I mean, obviously very abnormal for my character.
Dave, when are you dropping the
Yeah.
course?
What's that?
When are you dropping the course? Oh wait,
Just
am I
gotta
too far away? Can you not like hear me correctly if I'm this far away?
Oh no, I hear you. I hear you fine. I don't know
Okay.
about anybody else.
I didn't know because my mic is sensitive, or lack of sensitive, I guess. I don't know. So when's the course coming?
Well, it's I'm just kind of putting the finishing touches on it, actually.
Oh, nice, nice. Is there a friends and family discount?
Oh, always. You know that.
Nice.
Always. I'm calling it. I think I explained it last week. It's the roadmap trademark. It's the roadmap course.
Remark.
The roadmap course.
Like right now, we're experiencing. we earlier
Gosh,
we
that
had a
would be
U-turn.
savage. That would be so funny.
Oh my god. Ooh.
I was like looking for my phone, then I realized I'm staring right at it.
Alright, it looks like they're might try to do something nasty here.
Yeah, I agree with that.
And
That drop was a little. He was more than I wanted. I think we go up again. I think we're in barcode.
I think we do
area.
too.
See what we do at overnight lows here. If we get some redemption.
Oof.
Ooh, wow.
Alright, I've still got time. Electrician's here, but they need to go and do the EICR check so I get my electrics on for a bit.
Still has those circular circuit breakers that he has to screw in and screw out. What does it do here, Wes?
Get back above. Get back above.
That's a mean.
Jeez, dude.
Are you long?
I am.
Oh, you are?
Oh. Incredible.
Sorry, dude.
It's okay.
What's happening? People winning? You winning, son?
I knew that was coming.
You winning? Yeah, you winning, son.
I gotta kill this.
Oh my gosh.
Well, I'm down massive on the day now. Down
Oh,
500 bucks.
Yeah. Tough look for the boys.
Yeah.
It's all right. I had the trade and I
Fumbled it on the goal line.
I wussied out on it, and it was a 150-point trade, and I took 8 points. So,
And he's been looking for that glory ever since. Ooh, this is melty melt.
My mental ES trade is still running.
I like it.
Yeah, I got stopped at break even. So
Damn.
Oh, dang.
Neva, you were our last hope.
You were our last hope.
Dave's still positive.
I'm positive on the day. Oh, mainly because I haven't traded, except for one trade during the session.
I'm positive on the day.
I still like the longs. Like, I still like the longs.
Oh, brain. Ouch. I do too, Wes. I like them too.
I still like it. It's just you around 21K is hard. I might give it one more try.
What's your key level today, Wes?
I don't have one, Dave. I do not have a key level today, Dave.
Oh, motivation, dang.
Yeah, it's violent.
It is violent. I mean, it chooses violence every day now. Big time. Wow, look at that.
Yeah.
Kiss the longs goodbye for a while? Or is this just barcoding in a big range?
It's probably
15
just
minute.
barcoding. 21K is going to be difficult.
Yeah, I mean, on the 15 minute, it looks like it's just going to start to barcode here. 30 minutes brutal, though. 30 minute looks like downtown.
It's heavy.
Yeah. 30 minute looks like. See you later.
All right, one more attempt at catching the falling knife here.
Oh. That's a good bounce point.
Find out
Stopped
when-
out.
when- Oh, okay. I didn't. Sorry.
As soon as Nimkins talked about it, he gave that one little push down to get me.
I was about to go check. I was about to go check.
As soon as he opened his mouth. It's all right. It wasn't a
Come
loss.
on,
I'm back
Nims.
down to I'm back down to only down 400, so I made $100 there.
Oof, this is heavy.
You want me to tell you how to get that 400 back?
Oh.
Oh, gosh,
No,
here we go.
I
Here
don't.
We go.
All right, I just realized I unmuted and then sneezed. I thought it was my bad.
You don't want a little tip?
Nope.
No?
I want to hear nothing about YM.
No, it's not about the YM.
What? Bet on the Lions?
Ah,
No. So you're curious. Since you're curious, just let me know. And I'll tell you.
hey, what the Lions needed to get that 1 seed. They needed the break.
You're telling me.
They're
I don't know.
beat
I
up.
don't know how the defense played as well as they did. I have no idea.
Some good scheming, good coordinator, something, and good depth, obviously. But didn't they have? Weren't they on the? Was the offense on the field a lot? Was the time of possession in their favor? Can't remember.
No.
Oh wow.
No,
Okay.
the Vikings had, let's see, I think they had 5 red zone trips and 4 goal to go situations and only got 1 field goal out of all those trips.
Wow.
3 times they were
Wow.
3 times they were first and goal from the 5-yard line and could not
Oh
score.
my god. Your script for the Chiefs is hilarious. And I can't even defend it. It's true.
Wait, what script?
I think the video. Didn't you put a video there for the NFL script in the playoffs and the Super Bowl?
Oh yeah, yeah, that was some like NFL prediction analyst or whatever trying to give like percentages for each like playoff scenario, and then the first comment I saw was playoff script leaked.
Sometimes it feels like they're scripted.
Yeah, I mean with the Chiefs, yeah. Ever since Taylor Swift started drawing a bunch of new audiences to
Yeah.
the NFL.
Yeah, they got to keep
Legit, I
the
mean,
money
like,
coming in.
Yeah, like legit. That is what's happening. I mean, to be fair, the some of like the commentary, the Mahomes glazing commentary is really funny.
It's pretty good.
Especially when he gets brought up in games that he's not playing, and they're like, this looks a little Mahomey.
Why do I feel like they go back above 21K here after doing this?
Boy, that'd be nasty.
And exactly. That's why I think.
Well, I feel we've all been done dirty today. But
My
I
short from 89.5 would have run for like 25 points
Oh,
on the ES.
that's a good payday on ES.
Do you miss her, Palm? The NQ?
No.
Yeah, here it comes.
This is just. Ugh.
I know.
Are we allowed to make any comments when you two get back together tomorrow, Palm? Oh, sorry, on Monday.
Yeah, tomorrow's Saturday. I don't know what you're talking about.
That's true.
No, if you see me trading MNQ or NQ, please like say something. Call AA. I don't know.
At least something.
This is what your friends. That's probably what your friend said to you as well when he was breaking up with her for the 8th time. It's like, yeah, no, don't let me do it again, man. Just don't let me do it again.
Too funny.
Phoenix says 14K long is what he'll take.
Motivation, so he's taking a break and making a cappuccino. Now that's my guy.
I like that.
Mm-hmm.
Cappuccinos are my go-to. Iced cappuccino with milk and
oh.
cinnamon, undefeated.
Guys,
100%.
I'm probably gonna have to go because the electricians are gonna turn off the power.
Yeah, I mean, we're probably gonna end the stream here soon anyway. There's what time?
Yeah, I'm good with that.
It's
Yeah.
I
11
gotta go
o'clock.
do stuff.
This is going to make it up off stream.
I'm gonna try. I don't know whether I'll be successful or not, but I'm definitely going to try.
I like it.
I'm
like
gonna-
28 trades, profit for the day, $10.
Yeah. Yeah.
$10.
That's what it'll end up being because I'm gonna have to scalp for a minute.
I
Unfortunately.
mean,
that's-
YM looks like it wants to keep going down.
So does the NQ. So does the S actually.
Yeah.
I was actually just thinking along on ES from like 62.5 wouldn't be the worst idea.
I mean,
I don't know. We'll see.
it could just like on NQ, it could bounce between this 940 and 21,080 area for the rest of the session, but it's feeling pretty heavy right now.
I agree.
All right, guys. Well, thanks for coming on today.
Thanks for having us
Appreciate
on.
you.
Yeah,
Yeah,
thanks for
for
bringing it
having
back,
us.
man.
Hope
Yeah,
you guys-
appreciate it.
Hopefully you enjoy your weekends and battle. Well, Palm, hopefully you battle back. I know you said you're done for the day.
Yeah, I'm done for the day. I'm gonna go get ready for work.
All right.
Man.
Well,
Gotta
next
go
Friday
shovel
then.
some snow.
Yeah, me too.
All
It's starting to come down here pretty good. So
My trading mentally, what's stopping you from imagining you're 100? What does that mean?
You're at 100 points.
Phoenix.
Says if you're going to imagine stuff, imagine big.
All right, chat. Well, thanks for
Pathetic.
tuning in. We'll catch you guys next week. I'm thinking about streaming solo a couple times a week now again, and yeah, we will be hanging out in Discord for a little while. Palm, enjoy work. Nimkins, enjoy the surveyor, and we'll see you all Monday. Peace.
Yep.
Deuces.